Join me as I put the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype with 5 game-changing features. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a revolutionary action camera that's set to change the game, and today I'm excited to share with you the top 5 reasons why. From what I've seen so far, this camera has the potential to take your content to the next level, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. For years, action cameras have been plagued by poor stabilization, limited battery life, and a lack of advanced features. It's frustrating when you're trying to capture an epic moment, but your camera just can't keep up. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a thrill-seeking adventurer, we've all been there, stuck with mediocre footage that doesn't do justice to the experience. The lack of innovation in the action camera space has led to a stagnant market, with many users feeling like they're stuck with the same old features. But what if I told you that there's a new player in town that's about to shake things up? One of the biggest issues with previous action cameras is that they often require a ton of accessories and mounts just to get the shot you want. This can be a real hassle, especially when you're on the go. And let's be real, who hasn't experienced the anxiety of running out of battery at the worst possible moment? It's a nightmare scenario that can ruin even the best laid plans. So, what makes the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro so special? For starters, its innovative technology sets a new standard for stabilization, allowing for silky smooth footage even in the most extreme conditions. The image quality is also superior to anything we've seen before, with vibrant colors and stunning clarity that will make your footage look like it was shot on a Hollywood set. And with its user-friendly design, you'll be capturing stunning footage in no time, regardless of your skill level. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also boasts an impressive array of advanced features, including enhanced audio and improved slow-motion capabilities. This means you can focus on what matters most, capturing the moment, rather than worrying about the tech behind it. And with its improved battery life, you can shoot for hours on end without needing to recharge. But the one feature that truly sets the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro apart from its competitors is its groundbreaking Rocksteady 3.0 technology. This feature uses AI-powered stabilization to eliminate camera shake and produce footage that's incredibly smooth and cinematic. It's truly a game-changer for content creators, and I'm excited to show you just how powerful it is. With Rocksteady 3.0, you can capture footage that's previously been impossible to achieve, and it's going to open up a whole new world of creative possibilities for filmmakers and artists. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to use, even for beginners. Whether you're shooting on a mountain bike or capturing a sunset, Rocksteady 3.0 makes it look like you're working with a professional Hollywood crew. The possibilities are truly endless, and I think this feature alone is worth the investment. So, to summarize, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro addresses the challenges we discussed earlier and takes the action camera game to a whole new level. With its innovative technology, superior image quality, and user-friendly design, this camera is a must-have for anyone serious about capturing stunning footage. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my other tech reviews and insights. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content.